Hello my dear loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Mauna. Today mini vlog is all about my favorite day of the week. It's Saturday. This day is my favorite day because it's half day for me. Let me know in the comment section which is your favorite day. And also I can finish my all works and take rest. Today I will not having a classes. I will be having a hospital duty. I finished the hospital duty and came back home. After that I soaked my cloth in a surf up to 30 minutes. It's helped to remove the dirtiness from the cloth. Nothing was there to eat, so I prepared dosa and moringa leaf curry. I cleaned moringa leaves. Moringa leaves have many health benefits. I already told in previous video. And also this is my favorite dish. Now I am going to prepare moringa leaf curry. First you have to turn on the gas and pour some oil and put garlic and chili and wash moringa leaf very well. After that I chop the onion, 1 tablespoon of salt and put washed moringa leaf and fry it 5 minutes. I prepare dosa for the first time. To be frank, I don't know how it to prepare. Let's see how its outcome. First time I tried, look at this. Oh my god. My life without my sister. If I didn't eat, she will kill. Yeah. And also food is precious, one should not waste your food. I'm gonna eat. This is my lunch. Now I'm gonna wash my cloth and got fresher. Now around 3:30 rain started. I like rains. I think you also like rain. And spend few time in evening talking with my bro and sis. Now around 6 o'clock I went market with my sister. She is sharing her friend's story with me. She is my sister. She feeling shy. My sister bought mango. I don't know how to select a good mango. ₹80 per kg. After that I bought a groundnut. While buying groundnut, heavy rain started. My sister started to scold me, open umbrella. Oh my dear loves, I'm sorry, I forgot to introduce my elder sister. She is Maulya Pujari. I'm telling to her, show your face, you are so beautiful. Now raining is stopped. And she said she want to eat golgappa. She had, I will not eat junk food. I just hate junk food. She ate golgappa instead of eating. I bought hair clip for me. Golgappa cost is equally proportional to clip cost, which I bought. It's too cute. Sister told she want to plants. They told it cost around ₹50. We don't have soil, so I didn't buy it. After that we bought lemon and coriander leaf. We went to chicken shop and brought half kilo chicken. We finished our shopping. After that I went to temple and prayed. After that I returned to room. After that I eat my dinner. Oh yeah, I forgot to say something. Today onwards I'm gonna upload my vlogs. I eat one mango. I hope you liked my video. I will catch you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Until tata.